भाई मुझे जल्दी घर जाना है. There's complete traffic. Water park. So I left early a little bit because in the app it was showing like at 5 o'clock there's a 40% chance that it's going to rain. But yeah, as soon as I came out, it started raining. Why, man? There's clear skies over that side, to the side which I'm going actually. But you never know. Rain is unpredictable. And on top of that, these roads. Oh. Sky is a little clear now, so I'm hoping it's not going to rain for at least like half an hour maybe. By the time I can reach home, man. Clouds are getting formed slowly. So I hope it rains in the next 45 minutes or so.
A few moments later.
The water is still fresh on the roads. Whenever the vehicles are going in front of me, that is falling on me. This is actually my mistake, dude. I should have wore the jacket and come. It rained heavily. भाई मुझे जल्दी घर जाना है. क्लियर कर दो ट्रैफिक. See, whenever I am in a hurry, then only this will come. There's complete traffic. Shit, man. I could see traffic till the flyover. तो तू हॉर्न मारेगा तो कहाँ जाना है मेरे को? This is the only lane that is left for bikers. Water park. Is it raining or is it? It's not rain, definitely not rain. It's the water from the road which these trucks and cars are spilling. Gone, dude. Gone kiss. Oh yeah, it's also raining. Double dhamaka. See, I've asked rain for half an hour to 40 minutes. So I'm hoping it's not going to rain for at least like half an hour maybe. So the time is already done. And it has come down. So there's no point in complaining, dude. It is doing its work. Just that I'm not in its timeline. And it will be foolish of me to try to expect that it will stop for me, but that will not be the case. There's too strong smell of alcohol. What's the purpose of taking the helmet then? You're wearing a raincoat, but wearing shorts, and you're carrying a helmet on your hand. What purpose does that serve? Oh, it's raining heavily, I think. But the sky is properly clear. And I can't even run on this road right now. It is way too slippery. Be slow. Be slow. No, it's raining heavily. On top of that, the droplets from the leaves are also falling. The rain falls, night. It's you, like pierces you like a small needle. The droplets. That's what makes driving a bike in rain much more difficult. On top of that, less friction. And the dirt.